thereof, and thereafter to pass an ordinance that would ratify the aforementioned loan agreement. As those in favor, please raise your right hand. Favor, in favor. Councilor Aldonza, Abian, Katri, Kasura, Heli, Idolsura, and Rabilo. How many? Those who are against?
7 members voted in favor, Mr. Chair.
Who are against?
Honorable Aldonza.
Against. Casel Asarcon, Yuiko, and Tino. Abstain? Bayana. How many votes?
7 members voted in favor. For against, three votes.
Seven approved,
Approved in favor.
3 against, 4 against, and 1 abstention. Again. Who are against?
Who abstained, Mr. Chairman?
Hmm?
Who is that member who abstained?
Si Abian. Si
You ask him.
Bayana. Object. Again. Bayana, Tinio, Yuipko, Asarcon voted against.
So 4, therefore, then 7 voted in favor.
So considering that we were able to secure the 7 required number of votes, this proposed ordinance that would authorize the city mayor to enter into a loan agreement with DBP to finance the construction of the swine breeder farm facilities and the lot acquisition, and the ordinance ratifying the aforementioned loan agreement is hereby approved, considering that it has mastered the 7 required number of votes. Next.